Mark Rober, remember he like did that experiment where he was like lighting up different...
Nope.
The edges, you see how they're kind of green too? It's like a green-blue.
Let's light some kale on fire. Inorganic might leave like pesticide residue. So if there is pesticide residue, we should be able to test for it.
What different colors do you think it will turn?
I think a fertilizer would give off a yellowish color, but that's only if ChatGPT knows what they're talking about, which, let's try it anyway. So, suit up.
That's not even fair.
Where'd you get chips? Inorganic kale. Do they even call it inorganic? I don't think anybody actually says that.
I think it might be non-organic.
Organic vegetables, you know, they say it's better for you or whatever, but sometimes it contains bugs because it doesn't have the pesticides. The other day, hello little ladybug, you are gonna have to go outside. Did you make me any hot chocolate?
No.
Organic is green, right?
Yes.
Cool. Red light, we don't like inorganic because we think we're gonna die. Good choice.
I don't know about that.
Hilariously, it's the same farm too. Glory Foods sells the organic kale and the non-organic kale, which seems kind of interesting.
Why?
I don't know, if this farm feels like inorganic is totally fine, why do you also sell organic?
Because some people like organic more, so they're gonna make more money.
I know. We're gonna dry this one out so that it's easier to set on fire. Meanwhile, while these bake, I gotta make dinner. This video is sponsored by Gobble.
It's not, though. But it's not.
Friends and family who sign up using this link get 2 meals for 2 for 18 bucks. When they receive their first delivery, I get 20 bucks in credit. It's not really sponsored, but we can pretend. Hey buddy, I think one of us dropped some kale in here maybe. It's starting to smoke. All right, this is looking pretty good and dry. We should probably get like legit science jackets or whatever. Lab coats, science jackets. This is my wife's robe. Science goggles on. All right, here's organic. Ready?
Careful.
Whoa.
Careful.
Okay, so that was very just orangey. And then here's non-organic.
Okay. Also, maybe a little oranger?
You think so?
Maybe.
Really?
Yeah, maybe.
No, I'm not seeing any difference.
Maybe not.
All right, so the flame test is inconclusive.
Either organic is sprayed with pesticides, or
The inorganic,
is barely sprayed with any pesticides.
right, or you can't tell that it's sprayed with pesticides because it's been triple washed and it really doesn't show up in your food later. You like kale chips more than I thought you liked kale chips, so that's a good thing. Oh yeah, we forgot to remove the stems. So you don't like eating the stems?
It's not that you don't like eating the stems, they're just chewy.
They are true, they're like wet still. Shoot.